the problem. Alright, let's start. You guys, please stop. But they...
Well, we've got the first couple of snowflakes fallen, so we're gonna get this front porch situated. The kids are helping me. We are going to get the Traeger grill cord put away. We got the grill covered. We got to straighten that up a little bit, but got it covered. Gonna get all these pine needles off of here so they get stuck like cement when the ice melts and freezes on the porch. So we try to get that off as good as we can so that the pine needles don't rip up the paint when we shovel parts of the porch. Ask Hagen for a turn. First snowflakes of the year falling on us. Got a nice cozy house. Warm clothes.
And we've been outside.
Bed head.
In our warm house.
No.
I'm grateful that I walked with a chick last night.
That you what?
I walked with a chick last night. And then she ate it. Yeah, I found it today. I actually thought oh yeah. Riker actually found it. It's a blizzard! Wait!
First blizzard of the season is coming. We're so excited. We're not excited that we're missing out on the farm Thanksgiving, but we're excited about the snow nonetheless. It is good stuff. We'll have to go to the library early in the morning and get some movies.
Tomorrow?
We'll get some movies for the to watch on the computer.
Tomorrow?
Since we don't have a DVD player.
Tomorrow is it Christmas? I mean, tomorrow is it library? Hey!
Here we go. It's happening, you guys. Winter has come.
I'm not going to play. I'm staying out inside all day long. Because I got snow in my head. Baby shark did it. Baby shark did it. Baby shark did it. Baby shark.
So excited about the snow. We have a huge hill in our backyard. We got sledding. Oh, it's gonna be so cool. Maybe Daddy will be off work tomorrow.
Snowland. This is the bestest snow ever.
Got a ton of snow. So now I gotta get out here and do this business because my husband's back is still not 100% and I am not going down that road again. So I'm gonna take care of this driveway cleanup and then he's got to go to work, so that should be fun. He goes to work, then he's gonna go grocery shopping for me today, pick up the last few things I need for Thanksgiving. Nothing fancy at all, but I'll show you what I'm up against. La, 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 la. We got about 8 inches or so of snow out here. Well, got it done. Good enough. Got it done. Good enough. And I've got to take care of the kids. Okay. I like to say we live down in the holler because all around us are these hills. Anyways, our backyard never sees light in the winter. Like the sun doesn't shine on this part of the yard. So this is the beginning of the ice glacier, as I like to call it, because all it will do is melt a little bit and freeze and snow and melt a little bit and freeze and snow. And we end up with this mass of ice. We needed to move the trampoline. We didn't get that done because of Aaron's back, because that's the kids' sledding hill. Anyways, yeah, this is the beginning of our ice glacier. We will try to get the trampoline moved before the next snowstorm, but I don't see it happening. It's probably frozen to the ground right now, so we try to keep the kids close to that metal pole up there on the hill, as close as we can to that. So Torsten, watch out. Apparently I need another lesson in how to cure cast iron, because this isn't going so good. breakfast burritos. Hagen, what happened to your eye? Can you tell me the story? Or whenever you're done eating.
She was sweating down and then she fell on this eye. I'm fucking up the hill.
Did you fall up the hill or did the sled hit you in the eye?
I was walking up the hill and the sled bashed me right here. And then I got poked in the eye.
You got poked in the eye too? Your face has sustained all kinds of injuries lately. You got kicked in the eye the other day.
On this side.
Mm-hmm.
And this eye hurts and this eye hurts.
Well, now they're equal. It is a cold one today. Very, very cold. We were supposed to be going to families about 5 hours away, but the snow sort of foiled our plans. Our baby still screams in the car, so we didn't feel like it was safe or wise to turn a 5-hour trip into about an 8-hour trip with a screaming baby in the car. She just wouldn't tolerate that very well. So here we are at home, just Aaron, I, and the kids, and we're gonna have a beautiful Thanksgiving elk roast for dinner, and hopefully it turns out really well. It's delicious. And I hope that you guys give it a try and let me know if you like it. Just leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear if you have any suggestions for what to do with an elk roast.
Oh look, they found him.
From where?
Gray mane.
Every day is the best and possibly last day of their life.
Oh, you gotta go potty?
Where was it? Green man.
You go potty? Add a little bit of salt to this. Game.
So,
Are you supposed to draw feathers on it, or what are you drawing?
we have to do a mark.
Are you marking the turkey to shoot it, or are you marking the turkey? You're not supposed to be able to see.
Close your eyes. Okay. Just close your eyes. You're peeking. Okay. And did I try to okay.
Spin around twice. All right, now let me position you. All right, now walk. There you go. Now do it.
I thought I was doing it. Jason! You lost it! No, you just shot the neck. You just shot the neck. No?
You get crazy here.
We're still doing it. I didn't see it.
This is the honey fermented cranberry sauce. Nice and bubbly in there. Made from these.
Get it? Alligator, alligator.